Hi guys, thank you very much for stopping by. You are looking for a home remedy and a quicker remedy for cough. My dear, you are at the right place. Please do not forget to subscribe, click on notification bell, like this video, and if there is any question or suggestion, you can do that using the comment section. You are having serious cough that has refused to go, or your child is having serious cough that has refused to go. My dear, this video is for you. Try to watch this video till the end so that you won't miss anything. Let me show you guys the home remedy, how to prepare it and how to take it. Please, if you love what I'm teaching, subscribe. In this video, get bitter cola. Only one bitter cola. This is it. Add honey. Add honey in this. Take this morning, afternoon and night. It cures cough both in children and in adults. If you are having serious cough, try this. Bitter cola alone is a very wonderful home remedy for cough. Mixing it with honey will make the cough to go very fast. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe.